Good morning. Today we will start capitalization of super profit method. Now, what is capitalization of super profit? Capitalization of super profit is the amount of capital required to earn that particular super profit which we calculate or which will be given in the question. Now, according to this, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. So it is simple as compared to capitalization of average profit method. Now let us discuss question number 35. According to question number 35, our business has earned average profit of rupees 4 lakh during the last few years, and normal rate of return in the similar business is 10%. Assets of the business are rupees 40 lakh and external liabilities 7 lakh 20,000. First we will calculate the capital employed. Assets minus external liabilities, the capital employed is 32 lakh 80,000. Now according to normal rate of return of 10%, the normal profit for this business will be 32 lakh 80,000 into 10%, that is 3 lakh 28,000. Average profit as given in the question is 40 lakh. Average profit is given 4 lakh. So the super profit will be average profit minus normal profit, that is 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 28,000. The super profit is 72,000. Now valuation of goodwill. The first method according to question is capitalization of super profit method. So according to capitalization of super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit that we have just now calculated into 100 by normal rate of return, which is 10%. So 72,000 into 100 by 10, the goodwill is 7 lakh 20,000 according to capitalization of super profit method. Now according to super profit method or simply super profit method, goodwill is equal to 3 years purchase of super profit. So super profit into 3 is equal to 2 lakh 16,000. So this is the value of goodwill according to super profit method. Now let us discuss question number 36. In question number 36, you have total assets 55 lakh and outside liabilities 14 lakh. So the capital employed will be 41 lakh. Normal profit or the rate of normal profit according to question is 10%. So normal profit will be 41 lakh into 10%, which is 4 lakh 10,000. Now actual average profit or profit given in the question is, the first line it is given rupees 5 lakh. So now we will calculate super profit. Super profit is average profit minus normal profit, which is 90,000. Now according to question, we have to calculate the value of goodwill according to capitalization of super profit method as well as capitalization of average profit method. First, capitalization of super profit method. According to this method, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 by normal rate, that is 90,000 into 100 by 10%. The value of goodwill is 9 lakh. According to capitalization of average profit method. Now in this method we have to first calculate capitalized value of average profit. Capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit into 100 by normal rate of return, which is equal to 5 lakh into 100 by 10. The capitalized value of average profit is 50 lakh. What is the actual capital employed? As we had discussed or calculated, the capital employed is 41 lakh. So according to capitalization of average profit method, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed, which is equal to 50 lakh minus 41 lakh. So according to this method also, the value of goodwill is 9 lakh rupees. Question number 37. This is an interesting question. In this question, the total assets are 1 lakh rupees, but excluding the value of stock. Since stock is a tangible asset, we have to include the value of stock in the value of total assets. So total assets including stock now will be 1 lakh plus 20,000, which is equal to 1 lakh 20,000. Capital employed will be total assets minus outside liabilities, given in the question is 10,000. So capital employed is equal to 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. According to question, the normal rate of return is 8%. So normal profit will be 1 lakh 10,000 into 8%, which is equal to 88,000. Now in this question, goodwill is given. We have to calculate average profit. What is the goodwill, or how is goodwill calculated? According to question, goodwill is valued at rupees 60,000 at 4 years purchase of super profits. That means super profit into 4. This is the value of goodwill, and the value of goodwill is 60,000. So 60,000 is equal to super profit into 4. So super profit will be equal to 60,000 divided by 4, that is 15,000. Now we know that super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. So 15,000, which is super profit, is equal to actual profit or actual average profit minus normal profit that we had calculated, 8800. Now this 8800 when comes to LHS will become plus, that means 15,000 plus 8800 will be equal to actual profit. So actual average profit is equal to 23,800. Now question number 38. According to question number 38, Raja Brothers earn an average profit of rupees 30,000 with a capital of rupees 2 lakh. So capital employed is 2 lakh. Normal rate of return in the business is 10%. So normal profit will be 2 lakh into 10%, that is 20,000. Super profit is average profit, which is 30,000 minus normal profit, which is 20,000. So super profit is 10,000. Now goodwill has to be calculated according to capitalization of super profit. So goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 by normal rate, which is 10,000 into 100 by 10%. So value of goodwill is rupees 1 lakh. Now question number 39. Again it is a different question in which capital employed has to be calculated with the help of capital given only. So we are not required to calculate capital employed by deducting total assets minus outside liabilities. In this questions, capital of Rajan and Rajani are given. So total capital will be 3 lakh and 2 lakh. So remember, if the capital employed has to be calculated, it can be calculated using any of the two methods. Normally it is calculated by the formula total assets minus outside liabilities, but if those values are not given, we have to use the value of capital, because this capital is actually the capital employed. So capital of partners is the capital employed in the business. So capital employed is equal to 5 lakh. According to question, normal rate of return is 20%. So normal profit will be 5 lakh into 20%, which is 1 lakh. Actual profit given in the question is 1 lakh 50,000. So average profit is 1 lakh 50,000. Super profit will be equal to 1 lakh 50,000 minus normal profit 1 lakh. Super profit is 50,000. Now again in this question we have to calculate goodwill by capitalization of super profit. So super profit into 100 by normal rate, or 50,000 into 100 by 20%, the value of goodwill is 2 lakh 50,000. Now question number 40 and 41, these are simple questions. You should try yourself and you will be able to solve them. Now question number 42. In this question also, capital of partners will be added and we will get total capital employed. So in this question also assets and liabilities are not given. Total capital employed is 15 lakh. Normal profit is 15 lakh into normal rate of return, which is 20%. So normal profit is equal to 3 lakh. Actual profit or actual average profit given in the question is 4 lakh 50,000. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit, that is 4 lakh 50,000 minus 3 lakh. The super profit is equal to 1 lakh 50,000. Now we have to calculate goodwill using two methods. By capitalization method. So in capitalization method, the first method is capitalization of average profit. First, capitalized value of average profit is equal to 4 lakh 50,000 into 100 by normal rate, that is 100 by 20. So capitalized value of average profit is 22 lakh 50,000. According to this method, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed, that is 22 lakh 50,000 minus 15 lakh. The value of goodwill is 7 lakh 20,000. Now capitalization of super profit. According to this method, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 by normal rate, that is 1,50,000 into 100 by 20. The value of goodwill again in this method is 7,50,000. Now according to super profit method, according to question, by super profit method, if goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of super profit. So 2 years purchase of super profit, that means 1,50,000 into 2. The value of goodwill is rupees 3 lakh. Now question number 43. This has many questions. First we have to calculate the normal profit, which is based on average capital employed. So in the question, capital employed given is rupees 6 lakh. So on this basis, normal profit is equal to 6 lakh into 10%, which is normal rate of return. So normal profit is equal to 60,000. Average profit we will calculate. Average profit or profits are given for the 3 years: 2 lakh, 1,80,000 and 1,60,000. So average profit is equal to sum of these divided by 3. 5,40,000 by 3. The average profit is 1,80,000. Then you will find point number D. It is given remuneration of rupees 1 lakh to partners is to be taken as charge against profit. So we have to adjust this average profit by deducting the average profit which is calculated after this adjustment of rupees 1 lakh. So now the adjusted average profit is equal to rupees 80,000. Now we will start calculating goodwill. According to first question or question number 1, goodwill is equal to 3 years purchase of average profit. So 80,000 into 3, the value of goodwill is 2,40,000. Super profit, as we have calculated average profit 80,000 minus normal profit 60,000, the super profit will be equal to 20,000. So in question number 2, the goodwill has to be calculated at 3 years purchase of super profit, that means 20,000 into 3. The value of goodwill in question number 2 will be rupees 60,000. Now the third question, on the basis of capitalization of super profit, according to this question, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 by normal rate of return, 20,000 into 100 by 10, which is equal to rupees 2 lakh. And the last one, goodwill on the basis of capitalization of super profit. So this is done third. Fourth one, on the basis of capitalization of average profit. Average profit is 80,000. So first we will calculate capitalized value of average profit, which is average profit into 100 by normal rate. So capitalized value of average profit is equal to 8 lakh. According to this method, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. which is 8 lakh minus 6 lakh. So the value of goodwill in this method will be rupees 2 lakh. So we find that the value of goodwill in both capitalization methods, that is capitalization on the basis of super profit or capitalization on the basis of average profit, in both the cases we get the same answer. So this is all about this chapter, valuation of goodwill. So you try some more questions from other books. In the next class we will start change in profit sharing ratio. Thank you.